In this video, we will show you how to form Brickledge 90-degree corners. Brickledge forms only come in straight sections, so mitered cuts on site must be made to create 90-degree corners. Begin by placing a Brickledge block onto a LiteForm ICF corner block. The Brickledge block should extend past the corner by more than 5 inches, making sure that the tie ladder markings are in alignment. If the Brickledge is forming an outside corner, make a vertical mark on the inside of the corner block. Cut away any ties that will need to be discarded. Using a speed square, line up the 45-degree angle to the inside edge of the second web support. Mark the vertical as a guide. Using a long carpenter saw, cut the angle using the edge of the web support as a guide. Place the adjoining Brickledge block to the other side, again making sure the tie markings line up. Mark the inside cut line and discard that portion of the Brickledge block. Using the same technique as before, make a 45-degree mark and cut, following the edge of the second web support. Use a good quality low expanding foam adhesive on the bottom and both sides of the Brickledge forms. Add fiber reinforced strapping tape to the top, middle, and bottom of the outside seam for additional support. Add reinforcing bar to the provided slots in the Brickledge block. Set the Brickledge block past the corner again, make a mark flush to the outside of the corner and cut. Starting at the point from the inside of the corner, mark the 45-degree cut. Trim the ties. Using the long saw, follow your mark using the web support as your guide. Set the next Brickledge block and make a mark 2.5 inches in from the outside of the corner. Using a framing square and the speed square mark to the edge of the corner, making a 45-degree mark. Trim the ties. Use the long carpenter saw and cut down to the inside of the corner. Zip ties and foam adhesive are used to help secure the Brickledge. Using a jab saw, punch holes behind the first tie on each side of the corner. Use the zip ties to support the outside of the corner. If castellations on the blocks and Brickledge do not line up, simply cut the castellations off and glue the Brickledge to the forms. We want your project to go smoothly, so if you have any installation questions, contact your LiteForm ICF supplier or visit with one of our customer service specialists at LiteForm Technologies.